it's Faity and Happy New Year! Bago ko ipakita ang mga ganap namin ay video call muna sa Pilipinas dahil ahead sila ng 5 hours. Video call from Tani, Team Ilocos which is Mama and Glory, and Team Apayao, my father's side. And here is our handa for New Year's Eve. Maha, spaghetti, and charcuterie prepared by Hopia. Jumbo lumpia naman by Sartiga Couple. Jumbo talaga kasing lalaki yung ginawa namin. And of course, barbecue and cake from Ate Chai. Bago kumain ay nagpicture-picture muna kami tapos tsubugan na. Ito yung mga pictures namin. After kumain ay umaura-ora na naman ulit kami dahil lalabas kami going to Lucille Boulevard to watch fireworks display. Hello everyone, it's Faity and we're here at Lucille Boulevard to watch the fireworks. Let's go. We're going to the let's go na. Come on. Hindi na ako magsasalita at panoorin nyo ang mga na-video ko during fireworks display. Enjoy watching dahil nag-enjoy din akong manood. Time check, it's 11:57. Hi, Marga. Hello, ate. Kim Denny. fireworks ay uuwi na dapat kami pero wala kaming masakyan. Pagdating namin sa metro ay ang daming tao. Ganito siya kadami at mukhang magkaka-stampede pa kaya umatras kami. Pero tama nga dahil may stampede na naganap according sa news. Nag-enjoy talaga kami sa fireworks pero sobrang struggle ang transportation. Pati sa tram na nasakyan namin talagang siksikan na. 12 AM natapos ang fireworks at mag-aalas 4 na nung nakauwi kami dahil ang hirap sumakay. And that's it! That's how we celebrate our New Year's Eve. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow me sa lahat ng aking social media platforms. Just search Fady at makikita nyo na ako. And reminder, always choose happiness and peace of mind always. Be brave and strong because I will still see you on my next mini vlog. Happy New Year everyone! Bye!